Hey guys, welcome back. This is Money Minded Mandeep and you are watching LLA English, where we make videos on various labor laws and financial topics which might benefit you. So you better press that bell icon. Let's talk SSY. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. It's a long name and kind of a tongue twister for me, so I'll refer to it as SSY. Now imagine if you invest 50,000 rupees every year for the next 15 years, you would have invested 7.5 lakh rupees. And you stop investing from 16th year to 21st year. At the end of 21st year, you will get a total of 22 lakh rupees. And you would have earned a total interest of 14.5 lakh rupees. Now some might say investing 50,000 rupees per year is a big deal. But you can invest 4,000 rupees per month. That sounds more manageable, especially when you have a strong motivation that you are doing this for your daughter's education and marriage. And if you can afford, then you can invest a maximum of 1.5 lakh rupees in 1 year. This is SSY, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, and I would say it is even better than PPF. I'll tell you why. Along with an extra special bonus tip, using which you can earn even more interest in your SSY account. So the objective of SSY is pretty clear. You invest your money towards your daughter's education and marriage, and this scheme is a part of PM's Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program. Now why did I say it is even better than PPF? It will give you 0.5% more interest than what PPF gives you. Both interest rates will keep fluctuating because they get revised every quarter, but it will always generate you 0.5% more interest than PPF. And just like PPF, it is also a completely tax-free investment. The amount that you invest every year or every month is deductible under Section 80C. You won't have to pay any taxes on that. The returns that you generate on your principal amount will also be tax-free. And at the maturity, when you withdraw your complete corpus, that money will also be completely tax-free. Keep in mind though, SSS has a longer maturity than PPF. And it can only be opened by parents or guardians who have a daughter. Now imagine this, you have a daughter and you are well settled in life. You are investing anyway for her future and you don't necessarily need SSY to secure her financial future. Even then I would say you can invest in SSY. Why? Because as per your asset allocation, some of your money must be going towards a tax saving investment, and if you have chosen PPF for that purpose, then you can replace PPF with SSY just to make 0.5% extra profit. And just like PPF, it is also a government scheme, so your money is pretty much safe. Let's talk eligibility. There can only be a maximum of 2 accounts allowed per family, one for each daughter. But let's say you get twins in your second delivery. In that case, you can open 3 accounts. There's also a cap on the age of the daughter. If your daughter crosses the age of 10 years, then you can't open an SSY account for her. And as for the maturity, it is at least 21 years or till the time the daughter gets married. So if you open an SSY account at the time your daughter is 8 years old, then she will get the whole money back when she's 29 years old, or earlier if she decides to get married. So my suggestion would be open an SSY account for your daughter as soon as she's born, so that after 21 years she can get the whole money back. While the maturity may be 21 years, you will only have to invest for a period of 15 years. During 16th and 21st year, you need not invest any money in that. Interest, as I've already told you, it will get you 0.5% more than what PPF is giving you, and it also gets revised every quarter. Currently the interest rate is this, and it may change in future, but still you can expect somewhere between 7 to 8% consistently. The minimum investment that you must make towards your SSY account is 250 rupees in 1 year, and the maximum is 1.5 lakh rupees in 1 year. And there's no compulsion that you only have to pay a lump sum amount. You can invest small amounts every month. If you fail to pay even 250 rupees in 1 year, then your account gets deactivated, and you will have to pay a fee of 50 rupees to get them reactivated, along with the minimum amount you have failed to pay for each year. And the 21-year maturity is not entirely rigid. You can prematurely withdraw your SSY amount in 3 conditions. Number 1, in case of death of parent or guardian. Number 2, if the daughter encounters a life-threatening disease and the money is needed for her medical treatment. And number 3, when the daughter reaches the age of 18 and she needs the money for her higher education. In that case, 50% of your SSY corpus can be withdrawn. Now, before I tell you that extra special bonus trick that you can use to make even more interest on your SSY account, Let me tell you how you can open an SSY account. You can just walk into your bank and fill an SSY form. You'll get the account opened, or you can visit your bank's website, or you can even go to a post office. You will obviously have to submit the birth certificate of your daughter, your own ID proof, and your address proof. Now, time for the extra special bonus trick. The trick is that the cutoff date for SSY accounts is 10th of every month. This means that if you invest your money after the 10th of every month, then it will not attract any interest for that particular month. For example, we are sitting in November, and if I decide to invest 1 lakh rupees in SSY account on 11th of November, then I will lose 20 days worth of interest for the month of November. And if I repeat this mistake every month or every year, this can amount to a big loss in future. Or should I say lost opportunity. So you should always remember to invest your money before 10th of every month so that your money will get interest in that particular month as well. And one more important thing, 7 to 8% of interest might cover for your daughter's education or wedding, but it will not make you wealthy. If you want to create wealth, you should start learning more and more about mutual funds and stock markets so that some of your money can go towards that and you have a shot at making good wealth. So I highly recommend you that you open a Demat account for yourself and start investing some money in stock market. I'm leaving you a link to Zerodha in description. If you use that link to open a Demat account, we will get some indirect support from you, which will keep us afloat and will keep making more and more videos for you. Let me know if you want to learn more about investing in stock markets. So check out that link, open a Demat account. It will get opened in 24 hours and just try buying a 500 rupees share. It will motivate you to learn more and more about stock market so that you can invest early and take the advantage of time. I'll see you soon in the next video. Please press that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video.